Hey guys, I received my final module for my new Wonderpress, the vacuum forming module. Let's unbox it. Xtool's packaging, next level packaging. So these are some supplies, some materials, some badges, something to make a mold from, 2 screws, more heat resistant gloves, tray, badge jig, and I need 2 hands for this, so I'll pause you guys. It's not as big as I thought. Yes, thank you. Because I'm running out of space here. So guys, this is the vacuum forming module. And with this module, I can make my own molds. I can do phone cases. I can do blister packing. It's just going to be an amazing machine. So there you have it, my final module for my Wonderpress. Stay tuned for amazing craft, guys.